Venmo, an app for me. But today, I will show you how to get free money on the Venmo app. So let's open it up, and as you can see, this is what we got right now, $42. So I'm going to add 200 with this mod, and then we should have $200 additional in our Venmo, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to do this. It's super crazy, and this actually works. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up, and I'm going to show you exactly to get free money. So $200 activated. Let's see if it goes up. You can see right now it's still 40, and bang, guys, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the free money in the Venmo, guys. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly to do this. It's not for everyone. It's only for tech-savvy warriors who are destined to get free money in the Venmo. So let me show you guys how to get it. So first thing we're going to do is navigate to a new website, guys. So that's going to be tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. I can't spell, of course, but now we are going to head for the search bar, type Venmo, press install. Before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, so you need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app stores, so I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So there's little Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both, which is awesome, because obviously some of you guys only own one of the phones. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's loading up right now. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load. All right, so now it's going to take us to that last step where we just need to do the verification. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game. So I'm going to see you guys later, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps. It's super cool, and this is totally working.